Hello everyone. Today we are going to learn how to exploit FTP vulnerabilities. FTP means File Transfer Protocol. File Transfer Protocol is a standard network protocol used to transfer files between a client and a server over a TCP/IP network, such as the Internet. It's been around since the early days of the Internet and is still widely used today for various purposes. FTP typically operates on two ports. Port 21 for command control and port 20 for data transfer. Before starting the exploitation, we have to identify whether the machine is up and the FTP port is open. We can see here the machine is available. Now I am performing full open scan and version scan in the machine. We can see the port number 20 is open. That means FTP port is listening. Let us start the MSF console and look for the related vulnerabilities. To the Nmap scanning, we figured out what is the FTP version using in Metasploitable framework. We can search for exact version in MSF console. See, we have found an exploit related to the FTP version. The vulnerability is about backdoor, which means by exploiting this vulnerability, an attacker can gain access to the victim machine. Like in the other practical we have done before, we are going to use this vulnerability by the command use, followed by the index number. After that, we will figure out what all options we have to set. Here the only value we have to set is the R host. That is the victim IP address. After setting up the IP address, let's see all options are set or not. Once every option is set, the final command is run or exploit. We can see here from our machine to the victim machine session has been created, which means a backdoor is being created. Let's try all the Linux commands we know. We know that in the Metasploitable machine, there is a user called MSF admin. Let's try to access the MSF admin user account. We can see here we found the MSF admin user account. Let's try to create a text file in the victim machine without their permission. Here I am creating a text file called hacker. Here you can see in the Metasploitable machine hacker file is created. We can create one more file using touch command. Here I am creating a new file. File name is new hack. Here you can see the Metasploitable machine have the new file. Not only creating file, attackers can also delete any file. Also they can modify any files in your machine. This issue has occurred because of a vulnerable FTP version. To avoid such a vulnerabilities, we should make sure all services are updated. In the next session we will discuss about exploiting another vulnerabilities in the Metasploitable machine.